Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Forever 21 gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to redeem your gift card, you can do it by selecting the payment mode as gift card while checking out with your Forever 21. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in forever21.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your account first. Now simply go ahead and make a purchase. In order to redeem your gift card, select a product and now add the product to your cart. Proceed to check out by clicking on the checkout button from your My Cart page. Go ahead and enter your shipping information, that is your email address, your phone number, your first name, last name, street address. Select your country from the drop-down, enter your zip code, enter all of the informations and click on continue to finish the rest of the process. If you'd like to use your gift card as a payment method, then simply click on this gift/e-gift store credit option at the right hand side and enter your card number in the text box. Right next to it, enter your PIN number and finally click on apply. That is the only way you'll be able to redeem your gift card online for Forever 21. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.